Hey everyone, I'm Justin with American Trucks. In this video, I'm going over a flush stance with a 17 by 9 inch wheel and a plus 6 millimeter offset with 33 by 11.5 inch tires on a 2015 through 2020 F150, equipped with a 1.5 inch to 3 inch leveling kit. With a flush stance, your tires will line up with the wheel well on your truck. Now in this video, I'll go over the clearance with these wheel and tires, offset and stance, and of course what to expect when driving with this setup. This combination of a 17 by 9 inch wheel with a 33 by 11.5 inch tire is a popular setup with F150 owners who have installed leveling kits on their trucks, as you can see by these pictures provided by fellow F150 owners. Now this setup will fit any 2015 through 2020 F150 again with a leveling kit up to 3 inches without needing to do any modifications. Keep in mind that 33 inches is the biggest tire that you can run on a leveling kit. Now driving wise, you can expect to have no rubbing issues whatsoever, as the tires will be free from any contact with that front bumper or any of your suspension components. This wheel and tire setup with a plus 6 millimeter offset is designed to give your F150 a flush stance, as you can see from these pictures provided by F150 owners. Now with that flush stance, the tires will sit a little bit more even with the wheel well on your truck, as opposed to an OE stance where those tires are going to be a bit more tucked in. A few things to keep in mind when upgrading to a larger diameter tire like a 33. Now when driving, the ride might feel a little bit more sluggish with 33s compared to your stock tires. Your speedometer will also read about 1 to 2 miles an hour slower than your actual speed because of the change to a bigger tire. Of course, this really isn't a huge deal, but most F150 owners just keep that in mind when driving. Now you can correct this with a flash cow device or a tuning device for your truck, both of which are available here on the site. Now, if you do decide to purchase a set of wheels and tires from us here at American Trucks, we make it very easy for you to get these on your truck. On our wheel and tire package pages, we have setups that you can have mounted and balanced and shipped right to your door. You can also choose to have your optional TPMS sensors installed and pick up a transmitter tool to easily calibrate those new sensors in your tires. To ensure proper installation of those wheels, we do recommend picking up a set of aftermarket 14 by 1.5 lug nuts to fit the smaller lug holes found in most of your aftermarket wheels, and again, you can find those here at AT. Then at that point, just simply have a jack, lug wrench, and some elbow grease ready to go, and you'll have these on your truck in no time. Now we do recommend getting an alignment for your F150 after your new wheels and tires have been installed. As always guys, if you have any questions about this setup for your F150, you can call our customer service number to speak with one of our wheel and tire specialists. Again, this setup of a 17 by 9 inch wheel with a plus 6 millimeter offset and 33 by 11.5 inch tires on an F150 with a 1.5 inch to 3 inch leveling kit is very popular with 2015 through 2020 owners out there who want a bigger tire and that flush stance that will put that tire even with the wheel well on your truck. Please make sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel so you can see more videos like these and tons of other product review and install videos right here at AmericanTrucks.com.